And they're up. Sir Barbaro draws for your lead, singing victory, running by the rail, final impact. Reyes Gold comes next, then by the rail, Delgaro. Bruno next in line is Madera, and Dragon King is the early trailer as they make their first turn going along to the 3/4 mile pole. Singing victory now takes the lead over Sir Barbaro in second. Final impact is racing in third, then a length back in fourth. Delgaro running alongside Reyes Gold. Bruno, the favorite, running third last. Madera second last, and Dragon King is still running at the tail of the field, working towards the last 800, singing victory by about half length. Then by the rail is Sir Barbaro. Final impact once again, closing in third by the rail, Delgaro, and pass approaching on the outside is the favorite, and that's Bruno. Past the last 600, singing victory, still leading the field. Final impact, Bruno moving up on the outside and now moves up to take the lead. Bruno takes the lead over singing victory. Final impact still in third. Delgaro is by the rail. Sir Barbaro, Reyes Gold with the last 150 more to run. We have the top favorite, Bruno, by about 4 lengths now over singing victory. Reyes Gold moving up on the outside, third by the rail, final impact, and finally Bruno singing victory. Reyes Gold, Sir Barbaro close with final impact, then comes Dragon King, Delgaro, and Madera.